Hi Pisces! This is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng daily reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay, so alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na ito gamit ang ating tarot card po. Okay, so reminder lang po na ito ay general reading Pisces. So pwede pong mag-resonate, pwede pong hindi, and well, this is a timeless reading, Pisces. So, kahit anong araw, buwan, taon mo ito napanood. Basta tugma sa'yo, take mo lang. Okay? And welcome po ang lahat ng gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT. Pwede po sa feminine or masculine na energies. Okay? Kahit sino po, basta tugma, take lang. Okay? So, ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari po for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to? Mga gabay mensahe. There's a Two of Pentacles. There is something na union na naririnig ko yung word na out of balance, Pisces. So, medyo meron kayong kailangang ayusin regarding with your specific person, Pisces. Okay? Or someone na konektado sa'yo, especially financially. Pwedeng katrabaho mo, boss, employer, employee, okay, co-worker, or investor, pwede po. Or kung hindi naman, pwedeng you're dealing with someone na you have a deep connection to this person. And pwedeng meron kayong kailangan pag-usapan or kailangan lang ayusin or, alam mo yun, timbangin. Okay? So, ano pa po yung mga message niya po for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to? Ace of Pentacles. Yes, it's either this is a merong connection sa malaking pera, okay? Money, financial, or kung hindi naman meron itong connection something na big investment, okay? Big effort. Pwede po, okay? So, pwedeng meron kayong pag-uusapan regarding with money, okay? May regarding with investing, regarding with someone na merong finances, okay? Pwede yung trabaho nyo to, career. And, oh wow, there's the sun. Wow. Napapansin nyo, Pisces, punong-puno ng yellow dito, okay? With this, Pentacles, especially this one, Ace of Pentacles, ang laking pera yan, Pisces. And then, meron tayo ditong sun, okay, and may mga sunflower pa dito, which is almost the same siya ng mga coins, okay, mga pentacles natin dito. So, this is a union, partnership, okay, contract, or pwedeng relationship, connection, anything na meron kang dinideal na specific person, Pisces, na meron kayong aayusin or ibabalanse, because this situation, this connection, this whatever it is, Pisces, it gives you a big investment, okay? And it helps you to be happy in life, okay? Kumbaga, this is the brightest, most good vibes sa ating tarot deck, Pisces. The Sun, okay? Lahat ng mga magaganda, magaan nandito sa The Sun na ito, okay? So, ang ganda, this person have a big investment for you, okay? Or ikaw, you have a big investment to this person. Pwedeng sa trabaho, pwedeng sa workmates, okay? Career, opportunity, okay? This person is, meron siya malaking tiwala sa kakayahan mo, and alam niya, feeling niya na kaya mong tugunan yung trabahong ito, okay? Pwedeng ito ay merong connection sa relationship, and magiging maganda, maayos, maliwanag yung connection mo, partnership regarding with a specific person, Pisces, okay? So, ano pa? Ang gaan ng reading natin ngayon. And meron tayo ditong the world. Wow! This is a partnership connection na merong connection for long-term partnership or long-term journey together. Okay? Especially meron tayo ditong the world, Pisces. This is a tarot deck na nagsisimbolize as the map. Okay, mapa. Kitang-kita nyo yan, no? Ayan. may mga countryside dito, tapos meron silang tinitingnan ganito, ganyan, okay? So, yes, you're dealing with a specific person. Ayan, magkaharap sila, Pisces. And ito, tingnan mo. Ito siya, ito ka. Okay? And ayan, tingnan nyo. Kumbaga, magkaharap kayong dalawa. And this person have a lot of parang hope for you and this connection, this work kind of stuff, okay? Or pwedeng relationship, partnership, investment, okay? Na merong connection sa inyong dalawa. There is a partnership in this reading, Pisces. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino or ano po itong connection sa ating reading. Oh, there's the love. 8. Pwede nyo tayo merong connection sa love, merong connection sa number 8. 3. 5, 5, 3, 8. Ano pa? Letter Z. City. Letter C. Z and C. F. Ayan. Meron tayo ditong 5, 8, 3, F, Z, C, love, and city. Isa pa po. Ayan. There's the sunshine, Pisces. Sunshine, tapos sun. Okay. So, ang gaan, ang ganda, ang liwanag, ang saya ng reading natin ngayon po. Okay. So, yun po ang ating reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan nyo po. Huwag nyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay. So, thank you, Pisces, and God bless.